Hey guys, got a realistic Pro-43 or 42 scanner, Pro-42 rather, and this one is going to, quick video, show you how to convert the scanner from 30 to 54 to 68 to 88 megahertz. And the North American version of this scanner, 30 to 54 is enabled, and the European version of the scanner, 68 to 88 megahertz would be enabled. And basically it's an easy way to change this. You have to just install one resistor or delete a resistor, depending where you to, and it is R123, that one right there. I put a little SMT resistor 471 there. That just goes right there, and then enables the band. So we'll just put the scanner back together here one-handed. Kind of hard, but we'll make it work. There we go. Put her back together. Probably got to remove the shield to get at that, change that resistor. Then put in power. You don't even need to reset the scanner at all. Turn it on. We'll go to manual, go to channel 1. As you can see, I got 88 already there. So you can change that 88. So we're just going to say program. Now we put 30. You can see error comes up. We put 54 there. Error comes up. We put 68 in there. She'll take it. 88. She'll take it. You don't gain any other bands. She still has the same bands that she had regard to the VHF and UHF. But yeah, basically have enabled 68 to 88 megahertz in the Pro-42. Now you could put a little switch in here and toggle between the two bands, 30 to 54 and 68 to 88. Suppose you can put a little momentary switch in there. I'm going to program it, so I might actually try that. Anyway, that's how you install change bands on the Pro-42. Hey folks, thanks for watching.